Hi everyone, I just got in the Canon RF 24-70 f2.8. This is a really nice lens, just arrived from Amazon. We're going to do a unboxing and I'm going to show you what it looks like on my Canon R8. So it's the smaller of the full frame cameras. So first, obviously I just pulled this out quickly, but we do have the instruction booklet. We do have this little case right here, which you can store the lens in. Obviously, you guys know I really want to get to the lens itself, so we're going to do that. We've got this little piece on top right here, which stored that case in there. Another little warranty card. And then we've got the lens hood right here. So we'll take the lens hood off quickly. There we go. We'll leave that out, and we will take the lens itself out right here, put the box aside, and we'll take this lens right out of here. And this is a big boy. Yes, it is fairly heavy of a lens, but hey, I like the quality feel of it. So there is the lens itself. So we've got automatic and manual focus switch. We'll leave it in auto. We've got the image stabilization off and on, and we do have the lock button right here. So when you zoom in, you can lock your zoom if you really want to, which is super cool. And then we've got the cover right here itself. And we do have an 82mm thread on here, so I'd highly recommend getting a lens UV cover on there so you don't scratch your nice expensive lens. There is your Canon cover right there. So let's go ahead and we'll actually put our lens cover on right here, the lens hood. That will just snap right in very nicely. And then I've got my Canon R8 and I've got the 35mm on here right now. We'll go ahead and unhook that. And we'll take the lens cover off. There's your inside look right there if you want to see. And then we obviously do want to match up that little red spot right there just to the top of the camera. So we'll just match it up and then click it in. And then that's what that big boy looks like on my Canon R8, which is super cool. So amazing lens. I'm going to go ahead and try it out, but that's just your first unboxing look of it.